Today, I'm going to teach you how to both summarize and reflect on your notes. Both are highly effective, yet underrated techniques on studying your notes. I'm going to show you the process, give you examples, and the common mistakes to avoid. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Let's talk about the purpose of summarizing and reflecting on your notes. If you're able to summarize your notes, you demonstrate you understand the main ideas from your notes, which is the whole point. The ultimate goal of your summary is to answer the essential question. Let me say that again because it's so important. The goal of your summary is to answer the essential question. Wait, what did you just say about the essential question? So if you're not able to write one, or your summary does not answer the essential question, you missed something. When you reflect on your notes, you go beyond just merely understanding the information and asking how you can apply it to your life. It takes your thinking to a whole new level. The goal is to think about the purpose of your notes and how you can use the information. When summarizing and reflecting on your notes, there's two basic questions I want you to ask yourself. First, when you summarize, ask yourself what is important. Second, when you reflect on your notes, ask yourself this question: how can I use this information? If you found anything of value so far in the video, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and now let me show you how to write a summary and reflection and the common mistakes to avoid. Before I summarize my notes, I want to have them color-coded because that's the first step in trying to figure out what is important. You can see here that my essential question is, who is Batman? Then I'm going to skim through my notes and try to find the different ideas I'm going to use in constructing my summary. One common mistake I see is that students add too many minor details. For example, if you look under the subtopic, what are Batman's superpowers, I don't necessarily need to list all the weapons, vehicles, and costumes he uses. The main idea from this section is that Batman creates his own technology because he fights with no powers. I'm going to focus on the information highlighted in yellow, red, and blue. Do not start your summary with "these notes are about." Do not say that, please. Or "this article tells us," or "this is about." Get rid of those phrases and just tell me what it says. I also see this mistake a lot when I read summaries. This summary tells me nothing about the notes, and it's a complete waste of words. Don't tell me that you learned who Batman is or how he became Batman. Actually tell me who he is. Tell me how he became Batman. This summary just tells but doesn't show. Actually, correction, this summary does not tell anything. Do not do this. Please. I'm begging you. You can see I start off my summary with Bruce Wayne's parents were killed, right? I'm telling you the summary of who Batman is. You can see I list the main ideas of the notes, but I leave out the minor details that don't need to be added to the summary. If you want, you can pause this video when I'm done writing my summary and read through it yourself. Once I'm done writing my summary, I like to go back over my notes and see if I missed anything. And you can see here that I'm adding a detail that I missed. As I reflect on these notes, I'm going to try to pull out different morals and lessons I can learn from Batman and apply to my own life. One thing I can take away from this, like Batman, I can choose not to let my circumstances dictate my future. You're asking the question, how can I use this information? So whether it's math, history, science, or any other subject, you want to think about how you can use this information for a test, a paper, a project, or just in your daily life. Once I'm finished writing my summary and reflection, I like to reread it and see if I need to add or change any ideas or if I even misspelled something. You can pause here if you want and read my entire summary and reflection. If you're taking outline notes, it's going to be the same process for writing a summary and reflection. It's just going to be organized in a different way. In review, these are great techniques to use when studying your notes. When you summarize, the whole goal is to answer your essential question. So ask yourself this: what is important? And then when you reflect on your notes, the whole goal is to think about the purpose of your notes and how it can apply to your life. So ask yourself this question: how can I use this information? A great summary and reflection will answer those two questions. I hope both these techniques will become effective ways for you to study your notes. If you have any questions or you want to let me know how this helped you, let me know in the comments down below. Check out my complete playlist above on how to take effective notes. And then in the video description down below, I include free templates and examples for you to use when taking your notes. Make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe. Adios.